This is our school. We are located in Denmark. We are known for Lego
And H.C. Andersen, The Little Mermaid.
and stegt flæskmusik på Simpsons.
Hello, my name is Karoline. I'm 19 years old and I come in from Denmark. I study at Kærgaard Landbrugsskole and work with cows. On this farm we have 220 cows.
Hello, my name is Freja and I'm 18 years old. And I come from Denmark and I work at Visby Hedegaard where I have responsibility for all the calves. And sometimes I also work in the cow stable.
Dag, jeg hedder Christian. Jeg er 19 år gammel, så kommer jeg fra Danmark. Jeg er ved at tage uddannelse som landmand og går på Kærgaard Landbrugsskole. Så dagligt er jeg i praktik nu her som hovedfag af planter, hvor jeg allermest går i marken jo. Og så er jeg meget på værksted også, for at lave service på maskiner og diverse ting. Så, moin.
Hello, my name is Benjamin. I'm 18 years old and I live here in Denmark. I study at Kærgaard Landbrugsskole. And I work here at Vejgaarden. We have about 600 cows, and on the school I study about all the cows. So yes. I work here on Vejgaarden. We have about 600 cows, milking cows. And on the school I study about these beautiful cows.